Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will be learning about SQL injection. SQL injection is an attack which is performed by someone who is exploiting the SQL vulnerability. In this tutorial we will be using MySQL as our database and PHP scripting language. As you have already seen the AMP course, here I have installed WAMP server which you can learn from our AMP course. Now let's go to our localhost, which is our web server homepage, and navigate to phpMyAdmin. Now phpMyAdmin is a database management utility for our MySQL database which comes along with WAMP server. Here you can see one database test. In this database we have one table called users where we have one row, this admin and password. Now let's go to our SQL injection example page, which is this page. So this page is basically a login page which checks whether the username and password you enter here is valid and registered here or not. So it should be checking whether the username is equal to admin and the password is equal to password or not. So let's try admin and password. When I click login, it says correct login. For debug purpose, I have made this login script to print the complete SQL statement. As you can see, it is select count uname from users, where uname is equal to admin, which we have entered here, and pass is equal to password, which we have entered here. So it takes this and this value from our input, and when we click login, it go to the database and check whether it is correct or not. Now let me give a wrong username and password. Let's say admin, and in password let me write any incorrect password and click on login. So here it says invalid login because I have given the username admin but I have given password as incorrect. So it checks that whether these pair is matching or not. To learn this tutorial and to get the concept of SQL injection, you must be familiar with this SQL statement. So for that you can go ahead and check our SQL tutorials on MySQL, MS SQL or Oracle. So this is how our system works, and from the very next tutorial I will be showing you how we can inject our SQL query and we can log in without knowing the correct password. Thank you.